In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export members from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're managing a big project or just need to keep your contacts organized, being able to export your Teams members can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Teams website. This is the starting point for accessing all the great features Teams has to offer. If you haven't already signed in, you will be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password. If you're already logged in, it will take you directly to your main dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and this will reveal a menu with more options regarding your account. It's always a good practice to regularly check these settings to ensure everything is in order and to stay updated on any new features Microsoft may have added. From the profile menu, click on My Microsoft Account. This link takes you to your account page where you have more control over your settings and privacy preferences. This page is your gateway to managing the entirety of your Microsoft experience, so feel free to explore it later if you want to personalize more of your settings. But for now, let's stay focused on exporting members. On your Microsoft account page, look for the privacy section. It's typically located in the main navigation menu. Click on it and you'll be given a range of privacy related options. This section is crucial for managing your data and ensuring that your privacy concerns are addressed. Once you are in the privacy section, find and click on Teams. This will bring you to a dedicated area within your privacy settings specifically for Microsoft Teams. It's the place where you can manage your Teams data and any related actions you might want to take. Here you'll find an option for Export Contacts. Click on it. This action will initiate the process of exporting all your Teams contacts. Depending on the number of members and the speed of your internet connection, exporting may take some time, so be patient. Once the export is complete, the contacts will be available for download, usually in a format that can be opened with a spreadsheet application like Excel. This can be very convenient for organizing, filtering, and performing various tasks with your members' data. And there you have it, you've successfully exported members from Microsoft Teams. Whether it's for a meeting, a project, or just for your records, organizing your contacts has never been easier. Remember to keep this process in mind for future reference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on using Microsoft Teams and other software efficiently.